Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Voicemod Soundboard not working on your Discord account. Let's begin. Go ahead, open up your Discords and also Voicemod. First, let's go to the Voicemod clients. I want you to click on the settings on this gear icon. Here, make sure that the input device and output device is the appropriate headset you're using. Click on the drop down and select if it's not showing up, okay? So once done, I want you to minimize this, go to your Windows settings. So click on the start menu, look up for sound settings or just settings in general. And here, same, select the appropriate headset, okay? And on the input, make sure that it is selected, like for example, microphone, parenthesis, voice mod. You can click on the drop down if it's not showing up. Then once you've selected the voice mode, close or minimize your sound settings, go to Discord, click on this user settings, scroll down voice and video and microphone. This is how it goes. Well, for the microphone, it should be voice mod. You can also click on the drop down and you can now scroll down and pretty much everything is set for you. So you can now go back here and see, turn, hear myself on, and use any of your soundboards. And they should then be working smoothly as ever. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.